Welcome back to the Digital Marketing Software channel. In today's video, I will guide you in detail how to increase interaction, increase eye viewing, increase heart rate, increase comment for the live stream on TikTok. This will be a tool to help you manage unlimited TikTok accounts. You will use these TikTok accounts to interact with the live stream. First, you will add a live link. Next, you will set up the seating live stream as you do. You can set up the same as yourself or set up according to the needs of each person. Next, down here you will add your own content to that comment. These content, you will be the content to help you navigate to increase interaction for the live stream. Finally, you will select the TikTok accounts you have added and click Start. It's very simple, isn't it, guys? Those are the steps to support you, which can be to increase eyes, increase views, increase comments, increase heart for the live stream on TikTok. It supports your live stream to have interaction, retain customers longer, and increase the suggested for the live stream. Attract hundreds, thousands of real customers to your live stream. Support you to make money, sell goods. If you are interested in the software, you can contact me via Telegram or WhatsApp me below the description. And now let's see how the software will support you seeing increased interaction, increased views, increased comments, live stream. Thank you for watching the video and see you in the next video.